Wait a second, I don't need you. Then why so settled? I withdrew.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're brand new here. Today's video is an all day clean with me, and I am pretty much going here, there and everywhere to get my house nice and clean and put together ready for the day. So do go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave today's video a thumbs up, and let's just jump straight into it. So I'm starting off in the bedroom today, and whenever it's laundry day for the bedding, I like to get that done first thing so I can just forget about it while I'm doing the rest of the house. So the first thing I'm going to do is just strip the bed and get that put in the wash, so by the time I've done the rest of the house it'll be dry and ready to be put back on, and it just works out perfectly. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that first thing. The next thing on my list is always the kitchen. I just love having a clean kitchen. It puts me in such a good mood for the rest of the day. So I'm just going to whiz round and put everything back where it belongs and just neaten it up, go in and do the washing up and just wipe everything down, disinfect it and make it nice and fresh for the day.
Be a bit selfish when you're way too humble. Might be overzealous, getting you in trouble. Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. 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 Cause I'm a little bit unsteady, even a little bit mad. Might be a disaster, or just the best you've ever had. Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out.
I am still absolutely loving washing up with this new tap attachment. It's just so fun to use. I am going to have it linked down below if you want to check it out as well. But once I've done all that, it's time to go in and wipe down all the sides. As you can see, a lot of stuff has been spilt all over the hob, and there's just food and crumbs and everything all over the side and everywhere. So I just need to go in, wipe all this down and just give it a good clean.
Just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the streets, every freak out singing like, party like, freaking out. To the beat, yeah, we freak out singing like.
So once the sides had all been wiped over, I'm going to go through into the front room and then come back and put the washing up away a little bit later. I'm just going to go ahead and let it air dry. So I'm just going to do all of the blankets and cushions and just get the front room looking a little bit more put together. It's not too bad on this day. And as I'm doing an all day clean, I'm going to go ahead and use the robot vacuum. This thing is so handy, especially when I've got a really busy day ahead of me. It just saves me so much time. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that on just while I finish tidying up in here and head upstairs, because that way when I come back downstairs it'll just be nice and hoovered and clean. That's doing its thing downstairs. I've come back upstairs to put some bicarb on the mattress because, as you can see, it's getting a bit discoloured in places, and I want to just keep on top of it because I love this mattress. So I'm just going to sprinkle it on and leave it for an hour whilst I go round at the rest of the house, and then I can hoover it up later. Okay, so this is the current situation. We had to build Cinnabon a hutch because until he is neutered, he is becoming an absolute pain in the bum. He just keeps scratching and humping my leg, and he honestly won't leave me alone. So we had to build this for overnight, and I'm going to decide whether to keep those there. I know that some of you are going to have the question of, does it make the clothes smell having them hung in this room? And it honestly doesn't. Rabbits are really clean, and the main thing I was worried about was the clothes smelling of the hay, because the hay and his bedding does actually smell quite a bit, but luckily it doesn't actually affect the clothes at all. So I don't know how long I'm going to be hanging them up for, or whether I'm just going to start putting them back in the tumble dryer, because obviously I can't iron in here now, so I have to dry them all in here and then carry them all downstairs. So I don't really know how long I'm going to be doing that for, because I'm going to have to carry the ironing board downstairs. I think I'll leave it behind the sofa, but yeah, it's a bit of a nightmare, but he honestly doesn't leave me alone at the moment. He's always by my feet, either just sitting there or honestly just trying to hump my leg constantly. So I'm really glad that he's getting neutered on Thursday, but right now I'm trying to just think through this situation. He is going to be in his cage for the next 2 weeks after he's been neutered, just to heal and stuff, but we actually prefer to have him in this at night. If you saw my previous video, you would have seen that he chewed a huge hole in the carpet downstairs, so it's just nice having him up here at night, and we know that he's not being destructive downstairs. So I think this is just going to stay permanently, but I now need to try and figure out what I'm going to do with this situation, and if I'm going to continue to hang it or not, or if this room is just going to become like a bunny room. I really don't know. But while I get it all ironed, he is gonna have to go in his cage so he doesn't attack the wire. But look what he's been doing down here. He literally just chews everything. Yes, you do. But luckily he does like his cage, so it's never an issue getting him in and out. He honestly just goes straight in. So yeah, luckily he likes it, which is actually a bit of a shock, but go on then. Is this going to be the one time he doesn't? No, he goes in. But yeah, luckily he really likes it in there. So I know that it's a little bit big. He's definitely a spoiled rabbit, but after being free roam the whole time, I didn't think it'd be very nice to just have him in like a small cage. So we have built it as big as possible, and it gets emptied out every day, so it doesn't smell or anything like that. But yeah. And I need to crack on with all that and just decide whether to continue to hang it or to tumble dry it. I'm really not sure yet. So the one good thing about doing the ironing downstairs is that I do have the telly to watch, because I do get a little bit bored ironing upstairs. So I've got the Gilmore Girls on at the moment, and I'm just really enjoying ironing again. I used to really love it, and I think it was actually when I was ironing downstairs I enjoyed it because I had other things to do as well, whereas upstairs I'm literally just stood there ironing for ages and it gets really boring. So I'm not sure being distracted whilst ironing is such a good thing, especially for me because I am clumsy, but it's definitely more enjoyable than doing it upstairs. And on this day I had the Gilmore Girls on. That's a programme that I can just watch over and over again because it's just one of those nice, happy, wholesome programs. So let me know down in the comments if you have any programs like that you can just rewatch time and time again.
Saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter.
So once I had that lot done, I headed back to the bedroom because whenever I do the bedding, I do like to have the bedroom freshly dusted and hoovered and just feeling extra cozy. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe down all of the surfaces with my Pledge polish, give it a good hoover, and also hoover up all of the bicarb soda and just get it all ready for the bedding to go back on.
As long as I got you. I was running from myself those days, always breathless, search for something safe. And then I smashed into that golden face. And for the first time, I don't run away. We danced together till we got it right. Ups and downs through many days and nights. You appear to be my guiding light, and at the same time I realized, oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will kill me as long as I got you. Oh baby.
If you'd like to follow me on a bit more of a daily basis and see what I'm up to when I'm not here on YouTube, then do go ahead and follow me over on Instagram as well. I will have the link down in the description box, and I try and post every day over there, especially on my Instagram stories, just a bit more behind the scenes. I post some instant cleaning motivation as well as home decor inspo, so if you do want to be a part of that, just follow the link down in my description box and come and say hello.
To each other's backs without no fear. Hold on and waited for the sun to appear. 'Cause in the nighttime, I'm by your side. Oh baby, when you hold me, I rather lost my senses than be lonely. 'Cause baby, when you touch me, I feel holy. Oh, nothing in the world will
So the final thing that I need to get done is just finish off the kitchen. So I'm back downstairs. I feel like I've been going up and down the stairs today like a yo-yo. So I'm going to finish off in the kitchen. Just putting all the washing up away that I did earlier, and also go in and clean the sink, because if you've been here before, you know that the kitchen's not finished unless I have a nice shiny sink. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish that now.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for a friend, so
Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really hope that you've enjoyed it, and I hope you found all the motivation that you came looking for today. Go ahead and let me know down in the comments if you clean along with me whilst watching these videos, or if you like to just sit back with a cuppa and relax. I would absolutely love to know what you guys do and how you enjoy watching them. So go ahead and let me know, and I will see you back here in the next one.